ArrayShift method is used to remove the first item from a given array. Let's create an example. I have created an array with 3 names. Now, let's execute the shift method on it and print the names array to the console. Our modified array only have 2 items left, because shift method removed the first item. An important thing to point out is that the shift method does not create a new array, but instead mutates the array that it is called on. If we store the result of shift method into a variable, then we will get an item that was removed from the array. It prints out Jim because we have just removed him from our names array.